Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be going over the second grade DCPS distance learning packet for week 1, day 5. In this packet, I have selected one problem that I would like for us to go over. I would like for you to listen to the video first. There will be times where I'll ask you to pause so that you can do some work on your own. All right, let's get started. Now we're going to look at one of our activities from our week 1 learning packet. This is week 1, day 5, the exit ticket. I'm going to read the problem and then I'm going to ask you to solve it. Let me read first, please. Mandy did the math problem below for homework. What is her error? Explain and do the problem correctly. Well, at this time, I want you to look at the problem. The problem is 66 plus 37. Mandy came up with a sum of 913. I want you to go back and I want you to take out a sheet of paper and I want you to try to work this problem out. The problem you're going to work out is 66 plus 37. Please press pause at this time. All right, so I hope you pressed pause. I have solved the problem in 2 ways. So, I solved the problem in 2 ways. The first way that I solved the problem is by using what we call the chip method. I drew out the chips in hundreds, tens, and ones. Here I drew the number 66. Next I drew the number 37. When I added 66 plus 37, I started in the ones. I had 6 ones and 7 ones. When I put them together, I had 13. So I know that if I have 13 ones, I can bundle it up and make a new 10. So I bundled up 10 ones and made a new 10 here. That left me with 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Next, I moved into the tens place. I had to count all of my tens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know here I can bundle it up. I bundled up the tens and I've made a new 100. So my sum was 103. I also did it in the written form, the vertical form, the way that Mandy did it. This time I added 67 plus 30, I added 66 plus 37. So I added the 6 plus the 7. In order for me to write 13, I put the 3 in the ones place, but I have to make a new 10, so I put the 1 on top of the 6 in the tens place. 1 plus 6 is 7, and 7 plus 3 equals 10. The 0 goes in the tens place, and I have to take my 10 tens to make 100. When I make that 100, I can bring it down because I don't have anything to add it to. So my answer was 103. At this time, I want you to think about how could you write out what mistake did Mandy make? Let's use this number sentence. Mandy's problem is incorrect because we're going to use that statement. Mandy's problem was incorrect because. I want you to write it down. Mandy's problem was incorrect because. Pause the tape and write your answer. Okay, now we're ready to look at our written response. We had to write our answer here, down here at the bottom in words to explain why Mandy's answer was incorrect. So we started off with this part of the sentence, which was our sentence stem. Mandy's answer is incorrect because. And now let's look at my answer part. She did not write the sum for the ones place right. If you have something like that, then you did a great job. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope that this was useful and helpful in you to help you complete your work packet. I hope you have a wonderful day. Continue to be healthy and safe. Bye. See you next time on our YouTube channel. Take care.